person whose name starts with S will take you to Paris. If you know this, I must say your childhood was amazing. Wait a minute, I just got a notification on my phone. अगर इसे फॉरवर्ड नहीं किया तो तुम्हारी माँ मर जाएगी. These fake news, I tell you. We see these news every day on Facebook and WhatsApp. Some of us ignore it, but some of us forward it. You know when this shit gets real? Hello and welcome to my show Reach Out Loud with your beautiful host Rishika Gusai. And I'll be really grateful if you give your next few minutes to us. I will make you wonder about the sad reality of social media, and I promise I won't waste your time. According to Google, social media is a digital tool that allows its users to create and share content with the public. I mean, everybody does it. Everybody put something on their story so that it could reach out to a lot of people, right? But nowadays, it has become a platform to spread rumors, hatred, and even violence. I have a good following on Instagram, like a lot of people follow me. And I put a lot of things on my story as well. But what if I put something that is not true, that is fake on my social account? What will happen? Most of you guys will say nothing will happen. Some people will see your story and react, and rest will ignore it, right? No. Some people will get manipulated through my story and maybe they would repost it. Like a lot of people repost stories by getting, carried away with other people's story, like seeing other people's story. So if they get manipulated, they will repost that story on their social media, and hence their followers will follow it or believe in it. This forms a continuous chain, an endless chain. And did you guys notice that it started from me? I am just explaining you guys. This is just an example, okay? It started from me and it reached out to so many people, like half of the world. This is the power of social media. However, few people are using social media for their political and monetary gains. Answer these for me. Does Kadha cure coronavirus? Even if a bit of your portion says yes, my friend, your thoughts have been hijacked by social media. First thing, immunity booster is not even a medical term. Immunity suppression, not boosting. It is used to treat certain severe cases of COVID-19. Kadha is good for your health, but it does not cure COVID. However, people just circulate it without considering the impact. And there are a lot of remedies on social media to cure coronavirus. भाई तुम लोग कहाँ के डॉक्टर हो? कुछ लोग कहता है गांजा फूको तो मैं कोरोना छू भी नहीं पाएगा. कुछ कहते हैं बेटा दारू पियो तुम कोरोना से बच जाओगे. I swear, मतलब कहाँ से इतना दिमाग. इस लॉकडाउन में मैंने इतने टाइप के काढ़ा पिए हैं कि मैं तुम लोगों को क्या बताऊँ. कोरोना मेरा कुछ नहीं करेगा, लेकिन these remedies will definitely kill me. That Bangalore, Delhi and even Northeast migrant situation that happened due to this share of fake news. This can kill 100 of people. Politicians often use social media to spread fake news. Remember that Alu Dalo Sona Niklega comment of Rahul Gandhi? We all made so fun of him for being so dumb. It was all fake. His comments were twisted in such a way that it turned out to look like this. Very bad. Not accepted.
ऐसी मशीन लगाऊंगा, इस साइड से आलू घुसेगा, उस साइड से सोना निकलेगा. इस साइड से आलू डालो, उस साइड से सोना निकालो. इतना पैसा बनेगा, आपको पता नहीं होगा क्या करना है पैसे का. आलू के किसानों को कहा ऐसी मशीन लगाऊंगा, इस साइड से आलू घुसेगा, उस साइड से सोना निकलेगा। इस साइड से आलू डालो, उस साइड से सोना निकालो। इतना पैसा बनेगा, आपको पता नहीं होगा क्या करना है पैसे का। मेरे शब्द नहीं है, नरेंद्र मोदी जी के शब्द हैं।
I will share one experience with you all. There was this boy who shared his experience of his college through a video. He told everyone how he got admission in a good college in Mumbai and he wanted to become the first engineer from his village. And when he was studying in the college, nobody used to talk to him until the exam came over. As soon as the exams were near, everybody started talking to him for notes and everything. Everybody was giving him attention, and so he was liking that attention. Like, who does not like attention, right? And as soon as the lockdown started, nobody, like literally nobody, was talking to him. Nobody was answering his calls. He was trying to call everybody who, at that time used to give him attention. He was kind of shocked at what happened. He was feeling depressed and lonely, and he saw some people putting on their story like, if you feel depressed and lonely, you can talk to me. I would love to hear you out rather than seeing you dead. Even I saw this, like I saw this on every single story. Everybody's reaction after seeing this video was, oh, such a poor boy, that is so true, like everybody does this, and all that stuff. After some time, there was one more video from the same guy saying that he was a radio jockey, and the whole thing that he, portrayed in front of the camera was scripted. This is why you should never believe in any post or news. Before knowing the whole truth behind that post, you should never share it. Ask yourself that, do I know everything about this post? And if the answer is no, do something, research about it. Always trust the real source. Have you guys ever encountered a fake news? Comment down below your experience. Thank you.